Have you ever pondered the ultimate mystery of existence? What truly happens to the soul after we depart from this earthly life? Is it merely an end, or is it the profound beginning of an eternal journey, far grander than we can possibly imagine? In Islam, death is not viewed as annihilation, but as a transition, a gateway to the next phase of our eternal existence. The Holy Qur'an and the authentic traditions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, illuminate this profound journey. This understanding offers spiritual guidance, encouraging us to live purposefully and prepare for the hereafter. This life is a temporary sojourn, a test, and a preparation for the eternal abode. For spiritual seekers and Muslims alike, comprehending this transition is fundamental to faith. It shapes our worldview and motivates us towards righteousness and good deeds. When the soul leaves the body, a pivotal moment unfolds, witnessed by angels. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, described this departure with vivid detail. For the righteous, the soul is gently extracted, like a drop of water from a water skin, by angels of mercy. It is then wrapped in a fragrant shroud, emanating a scent sweeter than musk. Conversely, for the wicked, the soul is violently wrenched from the body, likened to pulling wet wool through thorny branches. Angels of punishment carry it away, signifying the immediate consequence of a life lived in defiance. This initial encounter sets the tone for the soul's subsequent journey. Upon departure, the soul embarks on an ascent towards the heavens. The righteous soul is welcomed by angels. In each heaven it passes through, they call out its best names from earth, celebrating its purity and devotion. The gates of heaven open wide, and it is presented before Allah, the Most High. However, the wicked soul faces rejection at every heavenly gate. The heavens refuse to open for it, and it is cast back down to earth. This immediate divine judgment underscores the gravity of one's actions in this life. It serves as a powerful reminder for personal reflection and accountability. After its return, the soul enters the grave, a crucial stage known as Barzakh, the interspace or barrier until the day of resurrection. The Prophet, peace be upon him, described the grave as either a garden from the gardens of paradise or a pit from the pits of hell. This is a period of waiting, where souls experience a foretaste of their ultimate destination. Two formidable angels, Munkar and Nakir, visit the soul in the grave. They pose three fundamental questions. Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet? For the believer, guided by faith, the answers flow effortlessly, and the grave expands, filled with light and comfort. For the disbeliever or hypocrite, the tongue stumbles, and the grave tightens, crushing the ribs until they intertwine. This stage offers profound lessons for religious education and understanding funeral services. The journey culminates on the day of resurrection, Yawm al-Qiyamah, the greatest event in the afterlife. All souls, from the beginning of time, will be resurrected and gathered before Allah. This is the day of judgment, where every deed, big or small, will be brought forth. The records of deeds, meticulously kept, will be opened for all to see. On this momentous day, worldly possessions, status, and even family will be of no avail. Only a pure heart, sincere faith, and righteous deeds will offer salvation. This final reckoning emphasizes the transient nature of this life and the eternal significance of our actions. The journey of the soul after death is not merely a theological concept, it is a profound call to action. It reminds us that this life is a precious opportunity to prepare for eternity. Every prayer, every act of kindness, every good deed, and every moment spent in devotion contributes to our readiness. Understanding this journey provides immense spiritual guidance and encourages deep personal reflection. It motivates us to live consciously, striving for righteousness and seeking Allah's pleasure. Are we truly ready for our inevitable journey? Let this knowledge inspire us to live lives of purpose, faith, and compassion. Subscribe, like, and share Trusstoria channel to continue exploring profound insights into faith and spirituality.